Hi students, good morning. See this property, integration of minus a to f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even, 0 when f of x is odd. Even function, how to check? Put x is equal to minus x, f of minus x equal to f of x, then it is even. F of minus x equal to minus f of x, then it is odd. Okay. Now integration of question number 240, integration of minus 1 to 1 x cube into 1 plus x square dx. So this is both lower and upper limit same and having opposite sign, then use this formula. Check, this is the f of x equal to x cube into 1 plus x square. Put x is equal to minus x cube 1 plus minus x whole square, which is equal to minus f of x. Then f of x is odd. When it is odd, the value is become a 0. Next, f of x 241. f of x and g of x are any two consecutive function. Integration of minus a to a, g of x minus g of minus x divided by f of x plus f of minus x dx. Okay, let same thing, just check it whether it is even or odd. Let this is capital F of x equal to g of x minus g of minus x divided by f of x plus f of minus x. Put x is equal to minus x, g of minus x minus g of x divided by f of minus x plus f of x, right? Here minus take common here, which is equal to minus of g of x minus g of minus x by f of x plus f of minus x, which is equal to f of x. So minus capital F of x, then this value become a 0 because it is odd function. Understood? You check it whether it is odd or even if it is this interval. Next, integration of minus 1 to 1 root of 1 minus x plus x square minus root of 1 plus x square dx. Let this is f of x root of 1 minus x plus x square minus root of 1 plus x square. Put x is equal to minus x, 1 plus x minus x whole square x square. Put 1 is x is minus x plus minus x whole square, minus take common, this is comes here, 1 minus x plus x square minus root of 1 plus x square, which is equal to minus of f of x. That means it is odd function. When it is odd function, this value become a 0. Next, f of x is an even function. F of x is an even function in closed interval minus a to a minus a to a f of x dx equal, this is direct formula. Tell me, 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if it is even. If it is odd, the value become a 0. Next, 145 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x plus 1 dx. Both are having same limits and having opposite sign. This is odd, this is also odd, this is also odd. So this is constant, it is even. So if it is odd function, the value became a 0, only that is. When it is even, 2 into 0 to a, when it is even, 2 into 0 to pi by 2, 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx is x, limit 0 to pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2, the answer is pi. Next, integration of 148, 146, 147 is a different model that I will discuss later. Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 x power 5 plus x cube sec x plus tan inverse x plus 1 dx. Tell me, x power 5 is odd, x cube sec x is odd, this is also odd, constant is even. So this is all 0. So integration, if it is even, 2 into 0 to pi by 2, 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx is x, 0 to pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2, the answer is pi. And one more important formula, integration of minus a to a f of x by any constant here, any constant 1 plus or minus a power x or e power x, exponential form, either a power x or e power x. In that case, the answer is 0 to a f of x dx. 0 to a f of x dx. This is a standard formula. Understood? One example is integration of minus 1 to 1 x power 4 plus 3x squared plus 1 by e power x plus 1 dx. See, this is 1 plus e raised to x. This is called f of x. If it is this form, tell me the answer is integration of 0 to a means 1 f of x, x power 4 plus 3x squared plus 1 dx. A shortcut here. X power 4 integration, x power 5 by 5, 3x square integration, 3x cube by 3 plus 1 integration is x, limits 0 to 1. Upper limit 1 by 5 plus 1 plus 1. Lower limit is 0. Okay, 1 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 is the answer. Next, integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cos x dx by 1 plus e power x. This is also its same formula, 1 plus or minus e power x f of x. Tell me, this is equal direct. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 f of x is cos x dx. Cos x integration is sin x, limits 0 to pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, sin 0 0, which is equal to 1. Next, integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cos x by 1 minus e power x dx. These are the same thing. Tell me, integration of 0 to a pi by 2 f of x cos x dx. It's important this type of models in JEE. Cos x integration sin x limit 0 to pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, sin 0 is 0, answer is 1. Okay. Next, integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 e power sin square x into sin power 2n plus 1x dx. Check it whether it is even or odd. This is f of x e power sin square x into sin x whole power 2n plus 1. Put x is equal minus x here, e power sin minus x is minus sin square x is plus into minus of sin x whole power 2n plus 1 minus of f of x, which is odd, then the value became a 0. This value became a 0. Yes, next property, integration of 0 to 2 pi f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Then this is 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. Right? Now, question number 142, integration 0 to 2 pi sin power 5x cos power 7x dx. Let this is f of x sin power 5x cos power 7x. Put x is equal to here, this is we have to verify, 2a means 2 pi minus x equal to sin power 2 pi minus x cos power 2 pi minus x. Sin 2 pi minus x is sin x, sin minus sin x minus sin power 5x. Cos 2 pi minus x is cos power 7x, which is equal to minus f of x. Then f is odd. When it is odd, the value become a 0. Next, integration of 0 to 2 pi cos cube x dx. This is the f of x equal to cos cube x, f of 2 pi minus x equal to cos cube of 2 pi minus x. Cos 2 pi minus x is cos x, cos cube x. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive, means which is equal to f of x. When f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, then this is applicable 2 into 0 to pi cos cube x dx. Again this is big interval, again we can write 2 into pi by 2, again which in the form of 0 to 2a. Yes, again verify this 0 to 2a. f of x is equal to cos cube x, f of 2 pi by 2 minus x equal to cos of pi minus x minus, so minus cos cube x, so which is equal to minus f of x. In second case, we got this is, then the value became a 0. This value is 0. Next is integration of 0 to pi 147 question e power sin cube x into cos cube x dx. Let this is f of x e power sin cube x into cos cube x. Same, check it. This is can write 2 into pi by 2. 2a form, 0 to 2a form. 2 into pi by 2 minus x. That means pi minus x. Sin pi minus x is sin x. Cos pi minus x is minus cos cube x. So which is equal to minus f of x. Then it is r. This value become a 0. Okay. Next, integration of minus pi to pi x sin x. This is odd or even? F of x equal to x sin x. F of minus x sin of minus x, which is equal to x sin x, which is equal to f of x. So it is even. So we can write 2 into 0 to pi x into sin x dx. Right? Then 2 into pi minus x, you use the by parts. X derivative is 1, shortcut. Sin x integration is minus cos x integration is sin x. Add plus and minus, multiply this and apply integration. 2 into minus x cos x plus sin x. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. 2 into cos pi is minus 1 pi, so plus pi. Sin pi is 0. Lower limit is 0. So the answer is 2 pi. Next is 158 question is integration of 0 to 2 pi sin power 5x into cos power 4x dx. F of x equal to sin power 5x cos power 4x. F of 2 pi minus x equal to sin power 2 pi minus x cos power 2 pi minus x. Sin 2 pi minus x is fourth quadrant, sin power 5x. It is also fourth quadrant. It is a negative here. It is a cos power 4x. So minus f of x. Then this value become a 0. Next is integration of 0 to pi sin 2x into tan inverse of sin x. Yes, this is 0 to pi means we can write 0 to 2 pi. Right. This is f of x. Put x is equal to f of 2 pi by 2 minus x sin 2 pi by 2, 2 pi minus x minus sin 2x. Here sin inverse of pi minus x, sin same only, tan inverse of sin x. So which is equal to minus f of x. Then this answer is 0 by the property. 160 direct formula. 163 integration of minus a to a x raised to n a minus x dx. Which is odd or even? Let me verify. F of x is equal to x power n into a minus x. Put x is equal to minus x here, minus x whole power n and a plus x. No, this is neither even nor odd. Neither even nor odd. So then how to find this is? But here given question is when n is odd. N is odd. Okay. When n is odd here, you will get minus of x power n. Okay. But here plus x. So it is neither even and nor odd. How can find this is direct? When it is not applicable the formula, then you can find direct. Yes. How can find? So just simplify here. Minus a to a into x raised to n minus x raised to n plus 1 dx. Direct formula. or direct. This is odd, no? This value, this is odd function. When you put x is equal to minus x, power is odd, so this is odd. So this is even. Here odd plus 1 even. So up to this is 0, then this is even. 2 into 0 to a x power n plus 1 dx. 2 into x power n plus 1 integration n plus 2 by n plus 2. Limit 0 to a. 2 into a power n plus 2 by n plus 2. Lower limit is 0. This is the answer. Next, 164, 165 direct formulas. Yes, now onwards, we'll discuss some standard formula. 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx. Here integration 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx, which is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx, equal to value n minus 1 by n. Decrease by 2, numerator and denominator, n minus 2, n minus 1 minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 2, decrease by 2, n minus 5, here n minus 4, so on. Last, if we get 1 by 2, then multiply by pi by 2. Last term is 2 by 3, next multiply by 1. Why? Because 2 by 3 is there, next if you subtract minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0 comes. So 0 comes means the whole product is 0. That's why you stop here and multiply by 1. When it is comes here, next term does not exist. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. There is no negative here. So that's why after 1 by 2, this is the last. After 1 by 2, you multiply by pi by 2. Yes. For example, 0 to pi by 2 sine power 6x dx. Tell me, n is 6. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. By n is 6. After that, you decrease by 2, numerator and as well as denominator. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. After 1 by 2 getting, then multiply, stop it and multiply pi by 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. So here 3, 15, pi by 6 into 4, 24. Okay, and multiply this. That is the answer value of this is. Same thing if it is come 0 to pi by 2 sine cube x dx. Okay, 3, n is 3, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. If it is 2 by 3, then last one is multiply by 1. This is the answer. So by using this, we can find the problems very easy. Sin square x, sin cube x, sin power 4x, sin power 5x, all problems we can find easily. Now question number 166, integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x dx. What is the n? 4. 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. After that, decreasing by 2, numerator and denominator. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 by 2, multiply by pi by 2. So answer is 3 pi by 60. 167, 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x dx. Here n is 5. 5 minus 1, 4 by 5. 4 minus 2, 2 by 3. If it is 2 by 3 last term, multiply by 1. So this is the answer, 8 by 15. Understood? 168. Integration of 0 to pi by 8 cos cube 4x dx. Here we have to make 0 to pi by 2. Let 4x equal to t. Then dx equal to dt by 4. So lower limit is 0. Upper limit x is equal to pi by 8. T is pi by 2. Cos cube of 4 x is t. And dx is equal to dt by 4. dt by 4. 1 by 4, 0 to pi by 2 cos cube t dt. Use this formula. N is 3. 3 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. If it is 2 by 3, last term is 1. So the answer is 1 by 6. This is shortcut. Next one is integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine power 9x dx. Sine power 9x dx. Okay, put n is equal to 9 here. 9 minus 1, 8 by 9, decrease by 2, 6 by 7, 6 minus 2, 4 by 7 minus 2, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 5 minus 2, 3, 2 by 3, multiply by 1. Finish. Just multiply here. 3 2 just 6. And this is you do yourself. Verify the answer. You will get it answer. Next. 0 to 2 pi cos power 4x dx. Here 2 pi, but you have to reduce into the 0 to pi by 2. Then we can use this formula. Yes. 0 to 2 pi means which is 0 to 2a it is, which is in the form of 0 to 2a. F of 2 pi minus x, here power is 4, then we will get cos power 4x only, f of x, then 2 comes here, 2 into 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4x dx. Again it is not in the form of 0 to pi by 2, it is here interval is 0 to pi, again you write 0 to pi by 2. 2 pi minus x is minus, but power is even, so we will get this is only, again 2 comes down, 4 into 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4x dx. Now it is in the form of this. N is equal to 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, decrease by 2, 3 minus 2, 1 by 2. If it is 1 by 2, multiply by pi by 2. So answer is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Next, integration of 0 to 1 x power 6 dx by root of 1 minus x square. Let x is equal to sin theta, then dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Here cos theta, lower limit is 0. When x is 1, theta is pi by 2. X power 6 sin power 6 theta, dx is cos theta d theta. Root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Root of cos square theta is cos theta. Get cancelled. Now it is in the form of standard formula 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6 theta d theta. Use this n minus 1. N is 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. Less 2 here. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1 by 2 multiply by pi by 2. This is the answer. Next, 177 also, integration of 0 to a x power 5 dx by root of a square minus x square. Same thing here. Let x is equal to a sin theta, then dx equal to a cos theta into d theta. Right? Substitute here. Integration of this is equal to lower limit is 0, upper limit a. If you substitute here, theta is pi by 2, x power 5, a power 5 sin power 5 theta d theta. Root of a square cos square sin square theta get cancelled, cos theta d theta. Cos theta. This is dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Finish. This is get cancelled. A power 5 is the constant. 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5 theta, which is in the form of standard limit. What is the n here? 5. So a power 5, n is 5 minus 1, 4 by 5, difference to 2 by 3 and multiply by 1. This is the answer.